Now let's try this water floss. First of all, we're gonna fill up the water here. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. And now let's clean on a 2 level of speed, and I'm gonna show you how many dirt come out from my mouth, and I'm feeling super clean. Yeah, I highly recommend this. Go for it, guys. Hey guys, I recently received this floss, and I'm going to review it. First of all, let's unbox it. It comes with one floss and six replacement tips. Here you can fill up the water, and now let's open the replacement. There are four replacement and two for a tongue clean and one with a brush on the tip. This 360-degree nozzle rotary tip can easily clean areas, while the orthodontic and tongue cleaning tips provide specialized care. It has different type of levels. It comes with massage, a jet and clean option. Now let's try it.